In this video, I'll show you how to sync your Hubspot tasks with Google Calendar so you can keep all your activities and reminders in one place. First, head over to the settings icon in the top right corner of your Hubspot account. Once the settings load, navigate to Integrations. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar to locate integrations, then click on Connected Apps. Here, you can check if your Google account is already connected. If it's not, follow the prompts to connect your Google Calendar to Hubspot. Once your Google Calendar is linked, go to your CRM and select Tasks. Click to create a new task, name it, for example, Create PPT, and fill in the task type, priority, associated records, reminder, and any notes. Make sure to enable Google Calendar Sync for this task, choose the type of sync you want, and save it. That's it. Your Hubspot task will now appear in your Google Calendar, helping you stay organized and on schedule. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more Hubspot tips and tutorials.